Dr. Z, an FMG mentor, going to discuss some important topic today. The topic is the cerebrovascular accidents, also called as a stroke, occurs when the blood supply in the brain is interrupted, reduced, and depriving brain tissue oxygen and the nutrients. There are two types of stroke: the ischemic stroke and hemorrhagic stroke. Out of 100% of the stroke cases, 80% of them are the ischemic stroke. Ischemic stroke is caused by the blockage of the blood vessels supplying the brain, often due to the blood clots or the plaque buildup. Whereas the hemorrhagic stroke at the 20% of the cases occurs when the blood vessels rupture, leading to bleeding in or around the brain. Now, symptoms of stroke will be the sudden numbness or weakness in the face, arm, or leg, confusion or trouble in speaking or understanding the speech, or if some vision problems, sudden vision loss can also lead to the sign of the stroke. At times, severe headache is also one sign of the stroke. When you suspect a patient with a stroke, you should always remember the acronym FAST. FAST, where F stands for face drooping, A stands for arm if it is weak or drooped or any kind of arm weakness is present. Then S stands for speech. Is there any kind of slur speech or difficulty in speaking? So it can be related to time. T is for time. Time is crucial. So in the case of the treatment for the stroke, is that the timely treatment is very important, including the clot busting medications or the surgery. Rehabilitation therapy often follows to regain the lost functions, and preventive measures, which includes the managing the blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol levels, as well as quitting smoking, which are also the risk factors to cause the stroke. So always remember such points, and these are the important points you always remember in the daily basis. You see these cases. Thank you.